This is how you're going to use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 to get faster and more private internet browsing. So Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 is a free DNS resolver that replaces the default DNS from your internet provider. So by switching to it, websites can load quicker and your browsing data isn't as exposed to tracking. So to set it up on Windows, open your control panel or your settings, or you can just head over to your internet from the bottom of your screen, and then you're going to click on network and internet settings. Now from here, you're going to choose your active connection. This could be Wi-Fi or internet. And then you're going to find the option called change adapter options under advanced network settings. So just click on that. And then from here, you're going to right click on the network that you're currently using. So in my case, I'm using Ethernet, which is my network 2. And then from here, you're going to right click on it and then click on properties and then highlight internet protocol version 4 or the TCP IPv4 and then click on properties again. So I'm just going to show you this is this is the internet protocol version 4, but if you're using the internet protocol version 6, you can just use that as well. But I'm just going to highlight this one and then I'm going to click on properties, and then from here you will see this DNS server address. So you're just going to toggle this on, the use following DNS server address, and then from here you are going to type in 1.1.1.1 and then in the preferred DNS box and then 1.0 and then 1 again in the alternate DNS server. Now click OK to save, and if you're also using IPv6, you can enter 26064700 and 26064700 as the servers. Now once saved, you're going to restart your browser and then try loading the website, and you should see the notice quicker responses and fewer issues when sites fail to load. This works across browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Now, by using Cloudflare 1.1.1, you're not only improving speed, but also adding an extra layer of privacy to your daily browsing. And that is how you can use Cloudflare 1.1.1 on your PC. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.